You like it, Tisa? Is it cool? Is it cool, baby? Do you like the water fountain? Do you like it, baby? The water, huh? It's the water fountain, Tisa. Yeah. You got your little toy. Alright, let's keep walking. You like that sun? Need some sun. What's up, Tisa? Oh, my Tisa, baby. Yeah, Tisa. Tisa at the waterfall. Tisa swimming in the waterfall. Tisa swimming in the waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Tisa is swimming in the waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Swimming in the waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. One little Tisa swimming in the waterfall. That's what we're gonna name the video, okay? Tisa swimming at the Bellagio waterfall. We'll clickbait people, alright, baby? Yeah. What you think, Tisa? You like the waterfall? Did you like it? Yeah? Alright, guys, hit that like and subscribe. We're back soon with another episode of Amethyst. Amethyst, you gotta let him go. You gotta say bye. You gotta say bye to the fans, to the family and friends, to another episode of Amethyst TV. No, you wanna make Barbie? Barbie's pretty. You wanna?